nice scenery, right?
Yeah,
It's like
in
peaceful, you know.
nighttime will be more nice with the light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the Manila Bay.
Yeah.
It's a amazing view that we miss it. More than 2 years we didn't came here.
The view is so.
The last time I remember we came here, it was, yeah.